오른쪽 거 같아서 느낌에.
거기 보면은요.
네.
앉잖아요.
네.
크게 플러스예요. 잘 모르겠으면 많이 받는 차에 어디에 이제 접지가 돼 있어요.
아, 네네. 해볼게요.
그냥 해보면 안 돼요. 확실한 거지.
아, 그래요?
그러니까 이게 얘네 사이즈가 다른데
네.
큰게 플러스.
큰 게 잠깐만요. 다시 사진을 찍어서 보내드릴게요. 이게 뭘로 막혀 있어.
네.
I need your help. I'm looking for positive.
You're looking for
Positive. I don't know where's the positive into that from that the main battery.
yeah. That's easy.
Here.
Good thing
I
is
don't
it's
know.
always red.
Yeah. I think must be this one.
Yeah, so that will be the positive and that will be the negative.
Oh, right.
But the best way to check is just to see the little negative just here.
Ah, what's it?
See that negative
Ah,
sign just
right. Yeah, makes sense.
there? Plus the negative.
I was a kid,
Yeah, that's
so I
right.
couldn't touch
Oh,
it.
that's fair enough. The negative will always come down and basically attach to the chassis.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's all it does at Earth.
Yeah.
And then the positive is where everything attaches to.
That's why.
So that's why there's so many things attached to it. Does that make sense?
It makes sense. Yeah.
So you'll probably wanting to dial onto that.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. So,
Cool. Nice time. All good.